Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Target credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the search address bar at the top of the screen, type in Torrid credit card login and press enter. From the search results displayed on the screen, click on this first link that says Torrid Credit Card Home Community Bank. Once you click on that, you will be taken to this home page for tutorial credit card. Click on the sign in button at the top of the screen in order to bring up the login area. Now head over to the first text box where it says username and type in your username. Head over to the next field, type in your password correct for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your information in the particular device, click on the Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave the box unchecked before moving on. In case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, you can click on this Forgot Your Sheet Name/Password link beneath the sign in button. Finally, at your den and you're ready to log into your account, click on the sign in button and there you'll be logged into your tutorial credit card account. That way you'll be able to get access to your credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.